So why should you care about Pinterest in the first place, up to the point of sitting down, crafting or optimizing an image just to post it on Pinterest? Well, if you are doing affiliate marketing, you might want to start paying attention because there is a lot of traffic on Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform that offers people the ability to visually share and discover new interests by posting images or videos known as pins on boards. People use Pinterest to pin images about their thoughts, inspirations, and ideas as they scan through the net. Some use it for organizing bookmarks or for remembering cool websites or content they have enjoyed online. As an affiliate marketer, you can use it to generate traffic. You can link from your review post, YouTube channel, and to some extent, directly to your affiliate links. Actually, I know that Amazon links are accepted on Pinterest. I wrote about this on Tube Mechanics Note website. You can check it out if you're interested. So let's now assume in this case that you want to drive traffic from Pinterest to your blog post or to a review post. All you have to do is create a Pinterest optimized image on your blog post. I've walked you through how to use Canva to create images that will attract views on Pinterest in the video that pops up on the top right of this video. You can check that out if you want to learn a simple but powerful Pinterest pin design that will get you views. Now, after creating your image, all you have to do next is upload it as an image on your blog post or review post. Let's use this blog post as an example. So what you want to do is upload the image that you want to use as your Pinterest post. Now there is an SEO advantage using image post as pins from your blog post or review post, whatever the case is. We'll talk about that later in this video. Now after uploading your image, you want to make sure that the post is published. Now after the post goes live, all you want to do is head over to the image, hover your mouse over the image and you see this Pinterest button. Click on it. Now the advantage of pinning your image from your website is for SEO purposes. When you share a pin from your blog post, Pinterest actually collects metadata from the page to optimize the image, but you can also use this description area here to add more related keywords. First, you want to click here and type in a short description of what your image is about and add some keywords as hashtags. Next is selecting the bot you want to post your pin on and post the image. Another good thing for linking from your website blog post is that when people click on the image from Pinterest, it will take them directly to the blog post and as such generating you more traffic. Now I hope you can now go back to your affiliate niche website and start pinning those images you have on your website directly on Pinterest and start generating some good traffic. If you found this video helpful, then please hit that like below this video, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video.